looks like Idaho Springs. Where? I would join a motorcycle gang if I lived up here. We should read that. It's such a little crossing. Do you feel it? Yeah. This feels wrong.
It doesn't even feel like we're moving.
Totally. Drive.
People of Butler County, Western Pennsylvania.
Our pillows, our blankets, and our beds.
I'm getting my phone.
Oh.
It's open already.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Why?
Its tail is massive.
They were told 5 times not to go near the water because that morning there was a 6-metre one on the beach.
He fell asleep and they've come back in the next morning, the ship's just like here, so and you just hear the breaking.
And then I've got Kathleen.
Yeah. Oh, that's perfect.
So I had to set up a dating app called Snap Me Up, and I put the girls on there with things like walks on the beach. You still there? Now I can hear. I'm just on the boat doing a cruise. Just tell me what you want. Creek. It's a breeding creek, yeah. Everything's the barramundi are everywhere. There's no fish.
Why?
one is it?
Well, Stevie right there.
Yep, got you, mate. See ya.
Turn around.
Be massive.
Because if I put my stuff somewhere, are you? I'm gonna track the route.
They ate something else then, hello.
Hi.
You just eat whatever's edible. Don't get too fussy about it.